get him to say that little phrase he says one more time with you in the ring. It's that good. They want to hear you say that again. Keep in mind, take every wrestler you've known in your illustrious career, put them all over here, put me right here, and say that little saying about yesterday and come around the mountain again, whatever it is, with me standing here. I gotta hear it, and they want to hear it.
I'm gonna say it one more time, and I'm gonna prove it one more time. You're gonna find out that I'm the best there is, the best there was, and the best there ever will be. And I'll prove it.
You know, in 25 years, some people have said some pretty stupid things to me, but that's the damnedest thing I ever heard anybody say. You are telling me you realize you were 14 years old on the front row of a box of popcorn going, oh my God, that's the nature boy. I want to be just like him the first time you saw me. You come from a great family of wrestlers, a great heritage, great amateur, everything you've accomplished 5 times. You've been the World Wrestling Federation champion, God bless you. Pal, when you were up there, I was wrestling Brody in Singapore, and the natives were restless for 1 hour. I was in Tokyo. I was in St. Louis. Ask Hogan. I'm not St. Louis. I have been around the world 13 times. And I listen, you telling me that you're better than him, gone yesterday and today, especially me.
With all due respect, to be the man, I guess I'll have to beat the man.
Oh boy, uh-oh.
You know what you're gonna find out? You're gonna find out on the 24th that it ain't just being the man, brother, it's staying the man. Woo!
January 24th, it's sold out. We'll find out who the best there is in professional wrestling. We're back with more live action on Thunder on this.